Hey guys, just want to show you how I sprout my potatoes, and I love doing it this way. Here's one example because I sprout potatoes in moist straw, and by the time I need to get it and plant it, I already have a sprout and I also have a good root development. So I just cut it. And what I do just to, because I'm not gonna, depends on the size of potatoes. If really small, I just plant it. Today I'm just gonna have a solution here. This is a 10% solution. You can make it a little stronger of hydrogen peroxide. Basically, I put 2 parts of hydrogen peroxide and no, 1 part of hydrogen peroxide and 8 parts of water, but you can make it a little stronger. I'm just gonna dip it in it, and next I'm gonna sprinkle wood ash over it just to prevent it from rotting. Oh, here you go. So I dipped it in hydrogen peroxide, and now I'm gonna touch it with wood ash and let it sit for a little bit. However, I do want my roots to be in a wet, moist straw so they don't dry out, and I'm gonna do it with all the potatoes there. So again, here's another one. It has a sprout there, and so I'm gonna take my hydrogen peroxide, I'm gonna dip it. Next, I'm gonna take my sifted wood ash. I'm just gonna tap in it and just leave it and put it right back into the moist straw. And I'm just gonna go and do it with all of them. Look at this root system. This is crazy but beautiful. Again, I'm gonna take this part, I'm gonna dip it in oxygen peroxide. It's a basic 3% hydrogen peroxide. I'm gonna dip this side right in my sifted wood ash and put the roots in the moist straw there, and basically it'll look like this. I'm just gonna put it all the way around and let it sit for a little bit until I'm ready to plant it, which will be in an hour or two. And I will continue doing it to all the fresh cuts, and I just love doing it. I've done it for many years. I've never had problem of rotting. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. Look at this root system already, and sprouts. So anyway, I'm just gonna keep it in right there right now. And I like doing it. I would love to know what growing zone you guys planting your potatoes, and what kind of potatoes you like the most. What grows well in your area. Please share it with me because I would love to know that. Who knows, maybe I would love to plant it